On this CRV hybrid, P154A is handled by the Integrated Control Module. In plain language, the module may be seeing the battery sensor report a self-check problem. The vehicle may set a warning or change how battery management functions behave. Broadly, this can point you toward a possible sensor issue, a connection issue, or the way the module is interpreting that sensor status. Keep the diagnosis focused on confirming that logic before making any repair call. Before chasing P154A directly, start with the basic system checks and follow a structured diagnostic approach. Make sure you are not skipping the fundamentals before you judge the battery sensor or the control module decision. Next, turn the vehicle to the on mode and wait 10 seconds. This is the confirmation window for this code. If the 12-volt battery sensor self-diagnoses a malfunction, the integrated control module determines that as an abnormal condition and stores P154A. For the test path, stay with what the code is actually monitoring: the battery sensor's own self-diagnosis and the module's response to it. For verification, use the same operating state separately after the concern is addressed. Vehicle on, wait 10 seconds, and confirm the code does not come back. The takeaway on P154A is simple. Confirm the battery sensor self-check condition, do the basic checks first, and do not guess beyond what the module is actually using to set the code. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.